How to stop the Google Update background tool? On my Windows Vista PC, there is always an instance of Google Update.x running. I find this annoying, so I'd like to make sure it doesn't start automatically. This proves to be not so easy, as I have tried these solutions. I disable the Google Update service. I remove the registry section q/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/run/Google Update. None of these worked. The registry section is simply re-added. Does anyone know the trick to avoid Google Update.x to be started after booting the system?
Method A. The easiest way is to disallow Google Update.exe to access Internet using your system firewall. You can create a new rule for it. Method B. If you don't use a firewall or don't want to use the first method, then you can use following steps to permanently remove the Google Update.exe file from your system, but remember that after removing the file you'll no longer be able to update the Chrome web browser using its built-in update function. You'll need to manually download the new version. 1. First, disable Google Update.exe from System Startup. Type msconfig in Run dialog box and press Enter. It'll open System Configuration window. Now go to Startup tab and uncheck Google Update from the list. Apply the changes and restart your system. PS. You can also use Registry Editor or any other third-party utility to remove startup entry. Windows Defender can also do the job. 2. Now we'll need to remove the scheduled task created for Google Update.exe from our system. Open Scheduled Tasks or Task Scheduler from Control Panel or Programs menu. You can also run it by directly providing tasks.msc command in Run dialog box or by opening %vendor%\tasks folder. Now look for the Google Update task user task and delete it. XP. Vista. You can also disable the task instead of deleting it. 3. Now the last thing. We'll need to remove the Google Update.exe file permanently so that it doesn't add its entry in startup. Go to the following folder. Replace C with your system drive where Windows is installed and replace Administrator with your username in Windows. In the above folder, you'll find the Google Update.exe file. Delete the file. If you find any difficulties in deleting the file, then make sure Google Update.exe is not running in background. If it's running, then end task of it using Task Manager and then try to delete it again. 4. That's it. Now you'll no longer see Google Update.exe file in background process list. You can also download and install the offline installer of Google Chrome, which doesn't include the Google Update.exe file. Chrome Offline Installer, full standalone installer without Google Update. Or you can use the portable version of Google Chrome, which doesn't need to be installed. Download portable version of Google Chrome, no need to install. Source: How to remove annoying Google Update.exe background process after installing Google Chrome.
You also could run Chrome from read-only media, such as in CD-ROM or write-protected flash drive.
Smarter Workshop, easy to subscribe.